This is the second video that I produced of the VHS-C video cassette tape. Now I'm going to take this one apart and completely dismantle it. There are 4 screws that hold the bottom of the case together. Now the 4 screws removed are all the same. Now to remove the top, you need to also press in the plastic retaining clips. You can use a screwdriver to do this. While these are pushed in, you can remove the top half of the cassette. While you're doing this, you also need to release the front flap by pressing in the small button on the side. Now you can lift it up. Now as you can see, there's no mechanical parts in this top part apart from the flap. Now take a good look before you remove anything. The first thing we're going to remove is the guide roller. These are 2 guide rollers. They are identical. And then we're going to move the other guide roller. And then it would be the guide posts. And the next guide post. So just carefully remove them, noting where everything is. Now the next part is to remove the reels. When you've done that, there is a small clear plastic friction that you need to remove. Now put this to one side because it's important to put this back if you do want to rebuild. Now there are 2 sections here. This is basically the brake system for the reels. This is one side. Now again, just note where all these springs are. And the middle part, this is called the brake actuator. This green sliding tab is to protect accidental recording over the tape. And this is the final part. This is the tape door relatch catch. You can pull it out. There it is there. Now if you want to take the flap off itself, you need to push quite hard, make sure not to break it, and then you can pull it out from the spring on the other side. Now the spring is very small, so be very careful with it. There it is there. Make sure again exactly where it goes. Now finally, when you're taking it out, put it to one side. And that's it. The third video will be reassembling it and putting it back to how it was. But thank you for watching, and if you did get value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And I do have more DIY videos for you to watch on my channel.